Hi guys, Jackie here, and today I'm finally doing another YouTube video. So right now I'm at home and it is a school day, Wednesday. I am supposed to be at school, but I'm sick. Like when I woke up I had a sore stomach and a headache, still sort of. But yeah, it's not easy having a cold sometimes. Yeah. Just, yeah. So I've actually just thought about it. I might do a little thing about kinetic sand. So hold on a minute and let me go get it. Okay. While you're waiting, you can just look at the roof. So there we go. Look at my new lamp. Alright, so these are the two colours I've got. Pink and like a normal sand colour, if you can see that, and then like a pink colour. And I reckon the best one to play with is this one, because like it runs out your hand like better like that, but that one not so much. It like clogs up, like, yeah. So while I go get so I'm gonna go get like a bowl and some other stuff to make cool stuff, and yeah, I'll be back in a couple seconds. Hold on. Okay, so I've already got it out of the box, and here it is. I haven't put it into the bowl yet. Hold on, let me my cord. So here we go. Hold on. Oh my gosh, that looks awesome. I haven't played with this in ages. Since my birthday. Which was like, what month is it? It is, I actually can't remember. Hold on. So, just remember, it was 4 months ago. And while I stopped it, I just like took it all out of the bag, and it was like hard to get it out when I was holding my phone and trying to get it out. So yeah. And what I'm gonna use to like play with it and stuff is that. It's like a flyby thing. I'll show you. Hold on. Let me flatten a part out. Like that. That's flat enough. And then like go like that and then press down on it. And there we go. Oh, that actually looks like real sand. That's the stuff I like. And then like I'm gonna use an end of a stick thing to just like cut stuff basically. Like not like actual like cut it like all the way, but like, you know, just make little carvings in it and like yeah. And then I got a pencil which I'm gonna try and cut with, but that might not work because this is the first time, so I might just use my hands to cut it. Yeah, that might be a better idea. Wait, hold on, let me get a big ball of it. I'll be back soon. Alright, so I tried. It didn't really work because I'm not really bothered. And let me just turn my phone on the side. This is, hold on, yeah, this is what it looks like when you pick it up. It just like falls out, and then look at it. It just like folds over. It's like so cool to play with. So if you don't have it at home, it's like advice. It's really fun to play with. And yeah, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. It like just falls out of your hand. See, look. Basically like real sand. And I've tried it with the pink sand and like put it together, and it actually doesn't work. Like it doesn't like stay apart. It like sticks to each other, which is really, really bad. I think I got most of the pink out and put it back in, but like, yeah, it was really annoying. So you can't actually like connect the colours together, which is sad because I thought it could. I'm gonna try and make a smiley face. Or a straight face, either way. There we go. Wait, it needs eyebrows. He needs eyebrows. Eyebrows! Wow. Okay, so I just quickly paused it and I made this. Like a flyby thing there, 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 and there. They actually really work. The stamp. No. And then I made a hole in the middle. No, like I can almost fit my finger through it. Then like a little barrier around it and stuff. Yeah, it's really cool. So that is my tutorial about sand, the kinetic sand. I hope you guys liked it. And yeah, I've ran out of time, sadly. And the next video I'll make will probably be like another month because I keep on getting storage problems. And I need to sort it out. And so yeah, I'll see you next time I make a video. Bye! I mean, bye!